What's the first thing
that you think of when you get up in the morning? Is it gratitude? Are you grateful that you're alive? When was the last time you thought of doing something new in your life? When was the last time you had a dream? What are those inhibitions that have stopped you from flying? Do you feel freedom in every breath you take? Are you even aware that you're breathing right now, that you're alive? Can you feel your heart beating?
When was the last time?
When was the last time you sat in complete silence and heard the roar inside of you? Can you hear that voice of the universe inside you? Telling you what makes you happy? What dreams and aspirations will die with you if you die today? What's stopping you from being a better person every day, every moment from here on, henceforth and forever? What's stopping you from rising up to your full potential? What's stopping you from flying, dreaming, aspiring, inspiring, achieving and being awesome? What's stopping you from actually living? What's stopping you? Ask yourself what's stopping you. Ask yourself